Dear friends, my name is Mukhamedrakhim Qydyrbayuly. I would like to share with you virtual information about the history, culture, geography, economy, tourism, and other important aspects of the Kazakh Steppe, which has been the golden bridge between European and Asian cultures since ancient times. Welcome to the Great Kazakh Steppe. The territory of Kazakhstan ranks 9th in the world. Kazakhstan is a multi-ethnic state. Today, more than 20 million people live in Kazakhstan. The country stretches 2,963 kilometers from west to east and 1,652 kilometers from north to south. The capital of Kazakhstan is Astana. The city of Almaty is referred to as the southern capital.